English conversation. Listening and speaking. Hello, welcome to the eSchool English. Let's get started. At the clothing store. Hello guys, how can I help you?
Hello, madam. I'd like to buy some clothing. I'm just looking for the pants. Do you have any pants?
Yes, I do. Do you like this one? Which size are you looking for?
I'm just looking, thanks. I'd like size L. Is it on sale? Oh, show me that one, please.
Let me take it for you. I think this one is very nice for you.
These pants for a big man. Another one also looks nice too. And how much does that cost?
Are you looking for a gift or for yourself? 'Cause today it's Black Friday. It's just only $50. Well, I'll give you 10% discount.
That's outside my budget enough. Could you have a discount else? Is there another cheaper?
No, I've already discounted all. I guarantee that it's the best prices for you.
It's very little discount. If 20% discount more, I'll buy to a half of dozen. Can I try this on? Do you have the fitting rooms? And where is it?
Okay, I'll sell you once. You can try it in the fitting rooms. Here is it.
It's too small. Do you have this in another size? I don't like its color. Because it's too bright. Do you have this in another color?
Yes, I do. What's your size? There are 3 sizes. This one is large size. Which size do you wear? What favorite color would you like? That's the blue one. Is it okay?
Let me see it, please. I don't know exactly size, but it might be medium size. It's right color, but different size. I'd like a pail of color.
May you try this one again? But it's too long and loose.
Okay, maybe it's not tight. I satisfy this one. I'll take it. Do you accept the credit cards to pay? Because I have no cash on hand. Can I return this if it doesn't fit me?
Okay, you can pay by credit card. If it doesn't fit you, I'll refund. But before I'd never like a refund to someone.
Can you gift wrap this?
Okay, give me a gift wrap for you, please. Here you are.
Cheers. Where is the checkout?
It's over there. First go straight ahead. And the next one, you turn right. You'll see it. Okay, thank you so much. Next time if you need anything else, please come again.
Yes, goodbye.
Don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel for free English lesson every day.